Okay, looks like I'm on. I see everybody, but I can't hear you.
When you opened up the app, you needed to push Use Computer Audio.
I don't understand the words that are coming out of your mouth.
Use Computer Audio. Use Computer Audio.
Here, let me close this and reopen it again. Okay, now I can hear you.
Now we can't see you. You have to push Start Video.
What? You can't see me?
Push Start Video.
Push the video what?
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Hey, good morning. Hey, guys. Steve, are you in the office? Yeah, kind of.
That's the office. Like the show, The Office. Wow! Wow, that's so cool.
Check this one out. You may call me Michael Scott, manager of Dunder Mifflin.
You're so good at this kind of stuff.
That's what
Nice. Yes!
James, you crack me up.
Whoa. This is hilarious.
Hey guys, look who's in Hawaii!
Whoa, that's so...
Hey guys, look who's in Hawaii!
Whoa, your Hawaii is moving!
What? How is it moving? Hey, guess who's Batman?
Whoa, look, the Batmobile is moving!
I am Batman! Pretty cool, huh?
Oh my goodness! You're Batman!
Oh. Check this out. Pretty cool, huh?
How do you know how to do all this stuff? Oh, I love how we're all together. Here, let me take a picture.
You can just take a screenshot from your computer.
Get in closer.
Hey guys, can everybody open up their agendas and turn to page 10, please?
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, hey baby.
Daddy, I need to go and pee. Hi, Daddy.
Oh. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, it must be that chilly.
Can everybody else mute their microphones, please?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Wait, Steve, what are you doing? I think he's going to the bathroom. Steve, your video is still on. I don't think he can hear us. I think his headphones are still plugged in. Everyone, don't look. Mute your microphones too. Oh, meeting's over.
So I said to him, since you saw the robbery at the Apple store, does that make you an eyewitness? How come nobody is laughing? Oh, not again.
Hey guys, there's 9 of us in this meeting. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Here's a story about a man named Brady. Hey guys, there's another person that just came into our room. Do you know who he is? Mr. McLovin? I read about this on the internet. Maybe it's a hacker. A hacker? Oh no, this happened to one of my friend's daughters when they were Zooming. Everyone hang up, I'll start another meeting. Do you think it's because my password is 111?